Hey, what's up, everyone? My name is Miguel. Today, I will show you can use AI to turn any expert into your own AI mentor. Why this is one of the most underrated use cases in AI right now, and also you can do it in less than 10 minutes. Let's get down to this. Now, we're going to be covering two types of content. First, we're going to do written content, and second, we're going to do video and also audio content. We're going to be using Claude for this tutorial. Now, I've preloaded Claude right now with the 100 million offers book from Alex Hormozi. What we're going to do is we're going to have Claude or any AI tool of your liking ingest this book in order to have it read it. Hey, Claude, can you please read this book and then tell me where in this book is mentioned the value equation by Hormozi? Now, you can get a hold of any book out there or any PDF. This also works for blog articles or any other type of written content. The longer it is, normally the more content you will have to make sure that you get the highest quality skill possible. What we're going to be doing is we're going to have Claude read all of this text, take all of the images, interpret them, and then we're going to create a skill that will make it so we can apply the Hormozi methodology each and every single time that we need it. You can use this for any other type of expert. So if you have an expert for marketing, sales, legal, you can use any piece of content that they have produced in order to make it your own AI mentor. Now, as you can see, it's giving me the breakdown of the value equation. What I want is I want to create a skill that makes it so I can modify the offers that I create for my own business by using this equation. So we're gonna ask Claude to create that skill. Hey Claude, right now I want to take the value equation and I want you to create a skill that will allow me to benchmark the offers that I am creating against this value equation, and you will have to give me insights on how I can make this offer better. By creating a skill, what you're doing is you're creating a reusable workflow. That means that each and every single time that you need to use this type of workflow, the only thing that you will have to do is you will have to tell Claude, hey, I want you to use the Alex Hormozi offer generator skill, for example. By default, your Claude always comes with the capacity to create new skills. It actually has a skill that's called the skill creator skill, which is kind of funny. So as you can see right now, it's actually analyzing the core components of the value equation, and then it's gonna come back to me with a very, very good skill. Now I'm gonna give this a couple of seconds and I'm gonna come back to you. And we're back. Now, as you can see, Claude just finished creating the skill. It even gave it a test offer for an AI upskilling workshop. It gave me the entire output. So this is what the skill actually does. It takes in an offer and it gives me a full table explaining to me why this is not a good offer. So in the case of the AI upskilling workshop, as you can see, the drip outcome, be more productive with AI. Well, that's now generic. You actually need some proof behind it. So this comes down to the also the perceived likelihood. Zero proof, no track record, bad offer. Effort and sacrifice, it's pure DIY after the session. So how do you follow up with these people? Do you still offer them implementation services? So it gives me a 2.9 out of 10. Now I can use this skill that was created by clicking on the save skill button that you will get when you create your own skill. And now it's ready to go. So I can literally just tell it to use this on another offer. Let me show you how. Hey, I run a recruitment service, recruitment agency based in the US. I would like to know what you think about 2 hours of free sourcing for any position that's hard to fill at a person's company. I want you to use the skill you just created. Now, I just sent that prompt, and as you will see, it will come back to me with exactly that type of breakdown, telling me how I can actually improve the offer. Use this to improve each and every single aspect of your business where you know that you could use some extra help. This will help you apply all of the frameworks that you see online from expert people who know what they're doing because they have years and years and years of track records behind them. Now, do remember that this is still just imitation. So at no point in time will an AI be able to just give you more value than the actual expert behind all of the content. It might get 85 to 90% of the way there. As you can see, It's asking me a couple of questions extra before it actually does it actually runs the skill. So it's giving me uh, five new questions. What am I charging? Proof and risk, speed. No, I just want, this is the offer. I just want you to analyze this offer. This is the final offer. So it's actually going to run it now. It's such a bad offer that, well, by itself, it just said, oh, um, I don't even know what to say. It's just such a big thing. I'm going to wait for a couple of seconds. As you see, this is something that can take a couple of minutes. The skill creation took probably between 4 to 5 minutes. The more complex the framework that you're trying to copy, the longer it takes. So as you can see, it's giving me the breakdown, 2 out of 10. I am selling an input, 2 hours of resourcing, nothing else. No track record, no guarantee, time delay. So 2 hours of sourcing, okay, you get a time delay, super weak. It tells me how I can improve all of this. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna switch back to the second part of this video, which is the video or audio content. So now I showed you how you can use written content to create skills. Now we're gonna show you how you can actually use YouTube videos directly to also create this type of skills for your Claude, ChatGPT, Codex, any AI that you're using. Now, in the case of YouTube, you can get the transcript from any video that you want right here on the right hand side corner. The way that you get to this is by going into the description and clicking the show transcript section. Then it just comes down to actually just going back into your Claude, giving the transcript and then telling it to analyze this transcript and create skills out of it. Now, if you actually want this to be more automatic, what you can actually do is you can connect your Claude account to Apify, and I already have a video on how you can do that. And by doing so, you will actually have the capacity of just getting the transcripts directly from YouTube. So for example, if I take the video of the link of the exact same video that I just showed you, what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask Claude to use Apify to get the transcript from this precise video. Hey, can you please use the Apify scraper to get the transcript of this video? Now, you don't even need to pay Apify because, quite frankly, this is something that takes so little money that with the $5 that you get each and every single month for free, you won't need to do anything. But with the $5, you're going to be more than ready to go for transcript extractions. Now, this is a nice to have. As you can see, it actually just takes more time than literally just going into YouTube and copy pasting the damn thing. So do remember that it's not because you can use AI that you should use AI. As you can see, now we have a how to craft a $100 million offer in 6 minutes. We have all of the information. It has the input of the transcript, and now I can use this to create another skill. So for example, right now it's getting to the time delay section. So now instead of creating a skill that does the entirety of the value equation, we're going to use only the time equation. Or no, actually, let's use the bonuses. As you can see, we have a section of bonuses that we didn't have on the first skill. So let's do that. I would like you to create a skill that actually helps me ideate bonuses that I can use for any given offer that I create, please. The input will be an offer and the output should be 5 ideas of skills by using this value equation that I could include as a bonus. If you ever make a small mistake, so as you can see right here, I made a mistake. I said of skills by using this value equation. It's fine. AI will understand that you meant outputs, so you're really not gonna have any problem. If you're really unsure about this, what you can actually do is you can just go back and change the prompt. It's not really gonna change a lot, quite frankly. Now it's reading the skill creator again because we're in another conversation. And as you can see, we will come back to this in a couple of minutes to a ready to go skill that we will use a new offer on. Catch you soon. And we're back again. So you can see, just as last time, right now we have a new test offer for this new skill. It actually ran the test on a LinkedIn lead engine, which is a €2,000 8-week program teaching solopreneurs to set automated LinkedIn outbound messages. Now, as you can see, it made this test run, and it actually gave me 5 different ideas on the extra bonuses that I can throw on top of this offer. There's a plug and play message vault, done with you automation setup call, account saved guarantee, book call conversion cheat sheet, which is actually great because booking meetings doesn't mean that you're actually going to be able to convert those people into customers. So you add bonuses that actually make it so your offer becomes more enticing because they solve other problems that you're going to have in the future. Now I have the skill right here at the bottom that I can just literally click on save. It's ready to go. And now I can reuse it each and every single time that I need it. Now I can even run it again, but for the sake of this video, as I promised, less than 10 minutes. Now you have everything that you need to make sure that you can use any expertise out there, whether it's written content, audio content, or video content, to make it so you turn it into your own AI mentor and you can apply any framework that you ever wanted for your own business. Now, this has been it for this video. I'm going to say catch you soon in the next one. Bye.